Some people may not see the importance of having car insurance, but not having it can leave you in a tough spot if there's an accident. In most places, you've gotta have it, except in New Hampshire where you need to show you can handle the cost if something happens. This video is here to help you get why car insurance matters and why it's crucial to get the right coverage. So, what's in an auto insurance policy? Well, there are a few things you need to know. Premium. It's what you pay for your insurance, usually in monthly, quarterly, or every 6 months. Deductible. This is what you fork out of your own pocket before your insurance kicks in. If you choose a lower deductible, your rates might be higher. Coverage amounts. It's how much your insurance will cover up per accident or claim. Claim filing. This tells you how to file a claim if something goes wrong. When you're getting a new car or looking for insurance, understanding the different types of coverage is key. Some protect you and your ride, while others cover you if you're at fault in an accident. There are 6 main types of coverage you can get. Some are a must-have and the others are optional. So it's a good idea to know what's required in your state before you start shopping around for insurance. 1. Collision coverage. Collision coverage pays for damages to your car while you're driving. If you hit another vehicle or a stationary object, collision coverage helps cover the repairs. For instance, if your vehicle flips over and damages the windshield, collision coverage applies. However, it doesn't cover damage to other properties you may have caused. While collision coverage isn't always required by the state, Wallet Hub notes that your financing company may mandate it if you have an active car loan. 2. Comprehensive coverage. Lots of folks decide to get both comprehensive and collision coverage, but they're not the same thing. Here's the deal. While collision insurance helps with damage from accidents, comprehensive insurance handles other stuff, like natural disasters, theft, vandalism, and animal-related damage. So if your car gets messed up by a storm, stolen, or scratched up by a critter, comprehensive coverage steps in to help with the repairs. 3. Liability coverage. Liability insurance is a safety net for accidents that are your fault. If someone gets hurt or their stuff gets damaged because of something you did, your liability coverage steps in to cover their costs. Most states say you've got to have liability insurance. Now, this type of insurance has 3 important parts, each with its own limit. The most it'll pay for one person's injuries in an accident, the total amount it'll pay for everyone's injuries in an accident, the most it'll pay for any damage to someone else's stuff in an accident you caused. 4. Uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage. Uninsured motorist coverage protects you if you're in an accident with a driver who doesn't have insurance. It helps cover your cost for damages and injuries. Alongside this, there's underinsured motorist coverage, which kicks in if the other driver's insurance isn't enough to pay for everything. Both of these coverages are super important and are often required in many states, but they're a smart move for any driver. Without uninsured motorist coverage, you could end up stuck with the bills for your injuries or car repairs. Even if you have insurance, you might still have to pay a big deductible or find out you don't have enough coverage to handle everything. It's a big risk to drive without uninsured motorist coverage, especially since around 13% of drivers nationwide don't have insurance. In some places, that number is even higher, reaching over 20%. 5. Medical payments or MedPay. MedPay covers various medical expenses resulting from a car accident, regardless of fault. It includes costs like doctor visits, hospital stays, x-rays, and medical equipment such as prostheses. This coverage benefits not only drivers, but also pedestrians injured in accidents or policyholders hit while walking. It proves particularly useful in busy urban areas with higher pedestrian risks, and for accidents involving irresponsible driving, like driving under the influence, where regular auto insurance may not suffice. 6. Personal Injury Protection, or PIP. PIP, also called no-fault insurance, is mandatory in no-fault states and covers injuries and expenses from accidents regardless of fault. It extends to drivers on your policy, household members, and car passengers. PIP offers comprehensive coverage beyond MedPay, including lost wages, child care expenses, and funeral costs. It ensures you and your loved ones are taken care of after an accident, providing financial support regardless of fault. How Stuff Works lists several factors influencing car insurance rates. These include the type of car you drive, your annual mileage, driving record, location, age, gender, credit history, marital status, coverage choices, claims history, insurance gaps, and car usage. When shopping for car insurance, consider these factors. Compare quotes from different companies and choose the coverage that fits your needs and budget. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, support our channel by clicking like, subscribe, and the notification bell icons. See you in the next one!